Hi everyone and welcome back to page Multimedia Arise. I am Sotheany and today we are going to learn 4 words from lesson 22. Are you ready? Let's get started. The first word is only. Only we can spell O-N-L-Y. Only. For example, I have only one sister. Only. And the second word is lead. Lead we can spell L-E-A-D. Lead. For example, our teacher leads us to do the good thing. Lead. And the third word is recommend. Recommend. Recommend we can spell R-E-C-C-O-M-E-D. Recommend. For example, my friend recommends me to visit Uncle Wat. Recommend. And the fourth word is wise. Wise. Wise we can spell W-I-S-E. Wise. For example, you have to study hard if you want to be a wise person. Wise. And the last word is rap. Rap. Rap we can spell W-R-A-P. Rap. For example, I teach my sister to wrap a gift on a Christmas day. Wrap. Okay everyone, please repeat after me again from the first word. Only. Only. Lead. Lead. Recommend. Recommend. Wise. Wise. Wrap. Wrap. Okay, thank you so much everyone for your time and attention, and please don't forget to comment all your sentences down below. We will help you check. If you do it right, we will give you a thumbs up. And if you want to watch a full video with Miss Jenny Taylor, don't forget to click the link that we drop it for you. Bye bye and see you in the next video. God bless you.